and welcome back to Gigaminx. We are going to work on solving the next layer of faces. In the last video we solved the white face completely, and I'm probably going to go a little bit faster because I think you should have experience. We will talk about it though as we work our way through it, but I'm probably going to pick up the pace just a little bit. We're going to solve the blue face. We've got the single piece. So now what I'm going to work on is I'm going to build 3 more sides with a single corner piece. And they're always going to butt up against another middle piece. All right, so here's a corner. And here is a middle piece. So I'm going to bring this to the top. I'm going to rotate this one over so my line of travel brings it up. They click together. I'm going to rotate all of the blue out of the line of travel, and I'm going to bring that side back down. Now I'm going to move this. This is on the gray face, and I'm trying to get down to 2 layers down here. So I'm going to rotate it up, move it out of the line of travel, bring that side back down. And then I'm going to rotate it up to one particular side, and then I'm going to evaluate where it's going to go. So if I rotate this face so that this middle piece is pointing out to the top left, when I move this side up, my corner and that center click together. I rotate my 2 new pieces or my bar out of the line of rotation and bring that side back down. Now I need 2 more bars made of a corner and a middle piece. So here is a corner, and notice here I have 2 bars. So I'm going to start by rotating this top 1 counterclockwise. I'm going to take this and move it up to the top. The reason for this is at the top. When I rotate this down, it's going to end right here, which will click on to this middle piece. I rotate it down, I move it out of the line of travel, I take that side and move it back up. Now I'm going to have to evaluate where I'm going to put it. So this time I'm just going to rotate it to the right. I look up here. If I push it up, it's going to push that whole thing away, which is not what I want. I'm going to rotate that to the left or counterclockwise. I bring that side up, rotate it out of the way of line of travel, and bring that side down. Here's a middle piece on yellow. I'm just going to put my finger on there. Here is a corner. The line of rotation brings this down and replaces this purple corner. I want it to snap on to the blue center, so I'm going to rotate the blue center, bring down the corner, move it out of the line of travel, bring that side back up. Now notice this is not in a good position, because if I rotate this up, I'm going to have a corner piece that's not fulfilled. So I've got to bring it back down, and I'm going to have to rotate it so that I push the corner piece up first. I'm going to get this bar out of the way, rotate my bar up, rotate the face to get all the blues out of the line of travel, bring that side down. I have 1 bar left that's going to be composed of a middle and 2 corners. So I've got to go find them and hunt them down. Okay, so here's 1 corner. And here are the middle piece and the other corner. So let's start by connecting this middle piece to this corner piece. I'm going to rotate it down. I'm going to rotate this piece out of the line of travel. But notice I have to move this one anyway in order to reattach it down here. So I'm going to put it in the line of rotation or the line of travel, move it up. Then I'm going to recalibrate it because I need it to come down to the bottom. I'm going to bring it down. Now I'm going to rotate the whole bar out of the line of travel, push it up, and then I've got to figure out where it's got to go. It's on green, and I think blue is over here. All right, so I'm going to rotate it up, get it out of the line of rotation, bring that back down. Now, you guys will do it sometimes twice, which is fine. As you get more experienced, you're going to find all kinds of neat little shortcuts, and that's perfectly okay. All right. Now, what I want to do is I want to take this and temporarily replace 3 blue ones. So I'm just going to rotate the top until I have an entire row of 3 blue ones. I'm going to bring those up, rotate it so that the line of travel no longer has blue pieces, and bring that side down. And that's how we're done then with the blue side. The red side, I'm going to start with a single piece, single middle piece, bring it up, rotate it, bring that side down. Now I'm going to build 3 bars that consist of a middle and a corner. Oh, this is handy. So I've already got that. So I'm just going to rotate it around, fix the face so that when I rotate that up, corner connects with the existing middle piece. Rotate those 2 out of the way, bring that back down. All right, here I've got a corner piece, and here I've got a middle piece. This corner piece is going to replace this pink, so I want to rotate the red so that when I bring the corner down, they hook up. Replace it. Now notice this time I want this corner to be up on top, so I'm going to rotate it counterclockwise. Now I have to fix the face because on this line of travel, this red piece is going to replace this purple piece. Rotate it up, move all the red out of the line of rotation, and bring that side back down. And then we hunt again. All right, there's 2. Oh, this is nice. All right. So I'm just going to go ahead and rotate this up, get it out of the way, rotate that back down. It's got to come all the way over here. So I'm going to travel it twice now. So I'm going to rotate it once, twice. Get it out of the line of rotation. So now when I bring this side back, I'm going to rotate it once, twice. All right. This is in the top. I'm going to fix the face, rotate it up, rotate the red face so there are no reds in the line of travel, and bring that back down. Now somewhere over here, so here's a red piece, I saw 2 corner pieces together. So here they are. Now notice the way that these are sitting, I can get these closer to my purple face if I move the rotation of this entire line. They'll travel together, but when I rotate it, I have to rotate it twice to get the red corners out of there. All right, this piece is going to fit perfectly there, so I'm going to rotate it, move it out of the way, bring that side back down. Now look how nice this is. This piece is going to travel up and replace the gray, rotate it out of the line of travel, bring that side back down. Now all we have to do is get it over here. Okay. So we're going to do a little bit more of an advanced step here now. Notice this is going to travel 2 clicks to get to the red side. So if I want to bring it directly into the red side, then what I'm going to do is I'm going to start by rotating my red face so I have a bar of 3 to replace it. So here we go. 1, 2. Now I'm going to rotate the face, non-red. I'm going to rotate it back, 1, 2. And there it fitted together. So I've got the white, the blue, the red. I guess we can go do the green next. Now these two are on the same plane, which is fine. I mean, I could move one out and then move it back. But notice I've got two centerpieces up here, so I'm just going to fix one of these. Move it up, bring it out of the way, bring the other one down. Rotate that face so my corner is up. Fix this face so when I follow the line of travel, the corner piece is going to meet the middle piece. Bring it up, rotate the green out of the way, bring down that side. Now I've got two green middles, but I need a corner. All right, here's two corners. So I'm going to rotate this up once, move both of them out of the line of travel, and bring that back down. Now let's see what we can do with this. This is going to replace the yellow. It's going to be perfect. I'm going to rotate it out of the line. Now notice what's going to happen here. When I bring this side back down, these aren't going to match up, which is fine. The only way you're going to get these to match up is if you hold the center fixed and rotate the corner anyway. So we're good. Okay. It's in a good position to go up. I just have to rotate the green face, bring up that side, rotate it out of the way, and bring it back down. Now here, I already have a middle and a corner lined up, so I'm just going to rotate it up, move it out of the way, and rotate it back. And then I'm going to bring it around so that the corner is going up to the top. Fix my green face, bring it up, rotate the green out of the line of travel, bring that side back down. Now, at least I know where these are. So this is my orange, but I'm missing a corner piece. Here it is right here. So I'm going to rotate this. I guess I'll rotate it up to the green face. So I'm going to rotate it up, get it out of the line of travel. Now notice I'm going to start messing things up if I don't bring this side back down. It's in perfect position. Rotate it up. Now notice this time when I rotate to get the green out of the way, I'm kind of going the opposite direction because I want to bring this piece down to this face because I'm going to have to fix it anyway. Notice that I've messed up the blue and white sides, but as soon as I bring that side back down, I fix these. Now, this is on the bottom. So I need to replace this blue where the green's going to be on the bottom. So I'm going to rotate it one counterclockwise, bring it up, rotate it out of the line of travel, bring that side down. Needs to go over here. All right, let's do a horizontal swap. I don't know if we've done a horizontal swap or not. This is now going to travel horizontally, which is fine. But I need 3 green pieces up here to replace it with. So I'm going to put 3 green ones. So I'm going to rotate it once and twice. Then I'm going to move the green face so the line of travel is now non-green, or at least non-dark green. And I'm going to bring it back once and bring it back twice. All right. Well, it looks like I've got 2 center pieces over here for purple. Okay, notice I've got a bar, a partial bar already made. So the question is, which one do I want to hook this up with? Well, it's easiest if I just rotate the purple face clockwise 1 click. I'm going to bring it up. I'm going to rotate it out of the line of travel, but honestly, I'm probably going to rotate it 1 more time and bring this back down. Because I know I'm going to have to use this to fix, to get another small bar. So notice I have a corner and a bar, a corner and a bar. This is on the bottom, this is on the bottom. So I'm going to rotate it up, move it over, bring that side back down. Trying to figure out where my purple is. Purple's over there. Rotate it up, fix the top. So when I rotate the line of travel, it connects to the middle. Rotate the purple face, get it out of the way. All right. Now this one's on the bottom, but this one is in the line of travel. So if I rotate it clockwise, when I bring this up, I can rotate it out of the way and replace that side. Now notice it's not going to fit here, right? Because I don't have that top corner piece. So I'm gonna have to rotate this to where the corner is on the top. Rotate my face so that this slides right up into place. Rotate the purple, bring it back down. Now I need the 3 bar. So I need the 2 corners and the middle. Here's the middle, and now I've got to hunt down the corners. Okay, here's one corner here. Notice this is on the bottom, so line of travel means it will end on this face where this blue one is. So I'm going to rotate my purple that way, rotate that side up twice, move it out of line of travel, and rotate that side down twice. Now we're just going to take a peek to make sure we haven't messed anything up, okay? Now I need one more corner to finish this. Here it is right here. Now notice this is on the bottom. If I try to move this to the bottom, these two are going to clash. So I need this to be on a different bottom. So I can do that by rotating it clockwise 1 click. So now when I bring it down, all 3 line up, move it out of the center of travel, bring it up. Notice my purple, I'm going to line it up horizontally again. So I need 3 purples over here to push out of the way. Rotate it once, rotate it twice, fix my face, bring back the horizontal travel once and twice. All right, we've got one more face to go for the lower faces. We've already got a single face, so I need to start building my bars. All righty, we're gonna do it this way. This is top, it's gonna replace the pink, so this will give me my bar. Move it up, move it out of the line of travel, bring it back. Now I need it to go over here. So I'm going to start by rotating it up once. And when I do that, I'm going to need to fix my line of travel because I had messed up the blue and the red. And now I'm ready to push it up in position. Push the yellow up, the corner in the middle match, get them out of the line of travel, bring back down that side. Here I've got a top piece now, that's a corner, so I'm going to move this middle around the corner, bring up the yellow, rotate it out of the way, bring it back down. It has to go, that was tempting, right? But notice that's not the yellow face. Okay, so I'm going to bring it up, rotate it out of the line of direction, bring it down. This is up top, fix the face, bring it up, rotate it to where there's no yellow in there, and bring that side back down. So I need one more small bar, and then I'll need the 3. So, oh, look at right here. Here's a small bar right here. So we're gonna rotate that up, Get it out of the line of travel. Bring that side down. I've got to fix this face, so this piece will slide right into a non-yellow piece, but yet hook up with a middle yellow piece. Bring it up, rotate it, bring that side back down. On the hunt once again. The good thing is, once we finish the bottom faces, we don't have to look so far for our other faces. Same kind of thing happened when we were doing the 4x4, if you recall. This is going to replace up top, get it out of the line of travel, and bring it back. So now I need one more corner that's yellow. Here it is over here. All right, let's see if we can make two moves out of this. This is in the top. It's going to travel and replace that gray by me clicking it twice. Once, twice, move it out of the way. I have to return it once, twice. All right. And yellow is over here. Oh, look at this. If I do this horizontally, I've already got yellow pushed out. All right, so here we go. 1, 2, rotate the face, no more yellow in the line of travel, and bring it back. 1, 2. And so now we have finished the white face and all the bottom faces. I really appreciate you spending this time with me. In the next video, we will work on solving the next layer and possibly these two together, or I might stop with just these 4. I haven't decided yet. I hope you all have a great day and happy cubing.